What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I got something special. I got my first Glock. So here's the box, guys. G-Lock, baby. Yes sir, ski. Let's get to this unboxing. Got a Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS, so I can add my red dot on there. I haven't had a lot of guns in my lifetime, but I've heard a lot of good reviews on this gun. I took it to the shooting range. I shot maybe about 100 bullets through it, and man, that thing performed real good. But anyways, let's get on to the unboxing. So what comes in the box, it has 3 mags. These are 3 15-round mags, and it comes with a speed loader as well. It does come with a kit to take off the plate and add a reticle. Like I said, this gun performed very, very good. I absolutely love it. It didn't jam up on me once. I bought it from a local shop here in San Antonio, Texas, transfer station. And it's just a beautiful gun overall. I can't wait to upgrade it. I can't wait to put a reticle, red dot. I can't wait to put a grip, maybe extendo, and also maybe a trigger in the future. So stay updated, stay subscribed, and make sure you hit that notification so you can see this build later. It's really like perfect for my hand. I have a bigger size hand. So I'm 6'2", 6'3" on a good day. So
boy, if you don't get
with my hand size, it feels perfect. The slide on this gun, it feels real good. Like something about it. And the grip too, I love the grip. It's plain and simple, it does the job. These sights that came with the gun, they're very, very good. It had that like that glow in the dark look whenever you're aiming down, but let me see if I can show you guys a little bit of that. Not sure if you can see that, but I'm gonna show you guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you some firing shooting range clips, and let's go. First clip. Oh damn! I got one of them all the way out from here. But mostly it was. It's not bad. Doing 3 mags, 15 rounds each. Let's get it. We got a target. I'm gonna go for. I'll probably go for the head. Let's get it. That was beautiful. Yes, Sirski. All straight to the head. 20 feet away. We're the last people.
They're like, I need to get out of here. We're trying to leave. Don't forget to wash your hands. No, after you walk up.
I could see all the gold.
Yeah, the gunpowder.
Sorry, sir.
Not saying a word. We were actually outside. We heard, we're like, ready for call last mag. Last names. Back to you.
Oh, sweet. Thank you. Appreciate it.
I had an extra to finish their thing, so.
Oh, okay.
You gotta step on it.
Bernardo
That's
San
why.
Antonio Gun Club.
Yeah, it's on
Remember,
it.
yes, sirski. If you guys like this video, what are you doing? Hit that like button, subscribe, stay tuned for the next one.
G-Lo Scotty pimpin', black on black with a pure ass heart. Your hoe say that I'm different. Back to back, I play my part, and the hoe gon' tell me different. Back to rest, I spill my heart, and you still ain't wanna listen.